Here are 3 websites that will make you rich as a website designer. Number 1, Fiverr. Number 2, Upwork. Number 3, Freelancer. Now, these websites actually offer you a platform to actually earn in dollars, to actually sell your skill, your digital skill. For example, you want to sell your website design skill, you can go to these platforms and create a gig. A gig is that service you are rendering. Create a gig, then when a buyer actually sees your gig and they like your gig, they'll message you, and when you guys come into an agreement, you start the project and it will pay you in dollars. So these platforms are actually good, they pay in dollars. Now, how do you get to Fiverr? Go to www.fiverr.com. How do you get to Upwork? www.upwork.com. How do you get to Freelancer? www.freelancer.com. If you like this video and want more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and also leave a comment on this video. Most especially subscribe to this channel so that you can have more videos like this. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.